Add a handle, add 2 wheels. That way I can take my fridge anywhere. So, do you think you can do some magic?
Sure, I can always give it a try.
Kongsuni! Yep, that figures.
It's so perfect!
Oh, yeah!
Huh?
Whoa.
Coming? Mom's taking me to the playground with my friends. But make sure she doesn't see you.
Hang on, I'll walk you downstairs. Give me a second, I forgot something.
Ready when you are.
I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Watch me this time.
Sure.
Guys!
Hi, Kongsuni.
Presents. You want to see?
You know I do.
But it's not our birthday.
It doesn't have to be. Just a second. See? Ice cream for everyone. Want to see my fridge?
Yeah, show us.
Ta-da!
Whoa!
Wow. Here, have one. I've got lots.
You mean we can have 2?
If you want.
Sweet.
Here.
Thanks.
Okay. You two ready for takeoff with these space snacks?
Sounds good.
You can be the captain.
Ooh, cool. I want to be a spaceship.
That's perfect. I'll be the astronaut then.
It's always fun when you share ice cream.
Yahoo!
We're glad you did. We love it too. And spending time with our best friends. We all have fun. Go round and round. Ice cream party round and round.
Kongsuni's the very best. She shares her ice cream.
Yeah!
All her friends can all join in to this ice cream party.
Here we go! It's always fun when you share ice cream.
Yahoo!
We're glad you did. We love it too. And spending time with our best friends. We all have fun. Go up and down. Ice cream party with our friends.
Kongsuni wants everyone to come and join her party.
Yeah!
Come with us and join the ice cream party.
Check it out.
You know what I kind of feel like doing now?
Playing hide and go seek?
No, going inside. I don't feel that good. I better get going.
Yeah, my tummy's kind of sore too.
Bye, Kongsuni.
I guess I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye, guys. Sail, you ready to go home and plan our next adventure?
Kongsuni, all ready to go to the amusement park? We're leaving in a couple of minutes.
My tummy doesn't feel so good. Aw. Sail!
Huh? What?
I need your help. My tummy feels funny and we're just about to leave. Can you make it go away?
Aw. You know, I've never had that problem. My tummy's got no sense of humor.
Kongsuni, let's go. What's taking you? Dad's gone to get the car. He's waiting already.
Yeah, okay, Mom.
What's going on? You look a little flushed, sweetie. Are you feeling sick?
No, I'm fine. I gotta go.
You okay? Can I come in? Need any help in there?
No, I'll be okay.
Maybe that bug that's going around. Oh.
All ready for the picnic.
So, how many ice creams did you have?
Lost count. I shared them with you and Sam. I think it was 4. I might have had 2.
No, Park.
Mom, no!
You can't go out when you have tummy cramps.
They're gone. I'm fine. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Oh, I gotta go again. Oh, I want to go to the park today. I'm sorry I broke the one-a-day rule, Mommy.
Poor thing.
I'll never eat ice cream again.
Can I come in? So,
Huh?
how's the tum-tum?
Mom, I think ice cream doesn't like me much.
Oh, yeah? Come here, you. Give me a hug.
Okay.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Listen, hon. Know what? We all make mistakes, okay?
What? Even mommies do?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Know what else? Tomorrow is a whole new day.
Mm-hmm. Ah.
Excited about your trip?
Yup, we're gonna have a picnic with no ice cream at all.
Cool. I wish I could go with you.
All set?
Huh?
Go.
So, ready for the amusement park?
You bet, Dad.
Is your tummy all right? How are you feeling?
Great!
That's my girl.
Hey, I know. Anybody feel like making mud pies?
I want to. I help Mom make pancakes all the time at home, so I can make mud pies too.
Wait.
Huh?
I don't think I can. I'm not wearing clothes for making mud pies.
Okay, and you? Can you get mud on your dress? You wore that one yesterday, right?
Who, me? I didn't wear this yesterday, so I'd get in trouble too. Hey there, Mommy. What do you think I should be today? Maybe a TV star?
How about Mommy's little helper?
Please, Mom. I want to be on TV. I need some cool clothes for my shows. Could you help me find a sparkly outfit right now?
I need to prepare a meal for you and Chloe, sweetie. Could we look for something together after?
Can we go look in your dresser first, then eat? I'll eat all my veggies then, I promise.
Okay, how about you go look in your dress-up box? You'll find something.
Aw, but...
Huh? Oh, your sister's up.
Wait, but Mommy...
Hello, sunshine. What a long nap you had.
Huh? Oh. Hi, Dad. I'll get the queen. Mommy,
There we
the
go.
king is calling. Mommy.
That's a good girl. Chloe, say mommy. Now.
Daddy,
That's
she didn't hear. She's busy with Chloe again.
Fair enough. Chloe needs a lot of Mom's attention. Be a good girl and try not to get in her way too much, okay, hon? Talk to you later.
Oh, Chloe. Now I'll have to change you again.
Mommy, guess what?
Kongsuni, be patient. I've got to change your sister.
Daddy called.
I'll call him later.
I'm the only one that gets in trouble for not listening. Sale, I need you to help me stop being invisible. Can you help me? Nobody listens to me. Sale!
Uh-oh. Looks like somebody's in a bad mood. Now my headphones, please.
Not till someone pays attention to me.
What did I miss? How come so glum there, chum?
It's Chloe. She ruins everything. Can she go back to the baby store?
I'm afraid not. She's here to stay.
I liked things way better before the baby came along. Sometimes Mom doesn't even read to me at night.
You got me. I can read, right?
Kongsuni,
Huh?
I've got to take a telephone call in my office, so you'll need to play quietly. I'll probably be about an hour.
Can we have a tea party first?
Let's have one after. Keep it down. And don't wake up your sister. And promise no interrupting my important phone call, okay? Got it?
I'll be quiet, I promise.
That's my big girl. We'll play a bit later, okay?
But, see what I mean? It's like they forgot I'm even here. I wanted to be a big sister, but it was a mistake.
Don't be sad. You want to play more, right?
Yeah?
Well then, we'll have our own adventures.
Okay, let's do it!
Music to my ears. Mom's busy. We can't make noise.
Uh-huh. Huh? A super quiet adventure. Huh? The baby's crying. Hush, hush. See? We're here. Who's a good baby?
Hey, wait a sec. Think maybe she's hungry?
So what do you say? You hungry? Want some num-nums? Wanna play restaurant? I can't make real food. But Chloe, I can make pretend food. It'll be so much fun. Sayo, come on, sing her a song or something.
Yo, a day by the sea. What you gonna see? A seagull.
I don't think it worked. Wait, let's look in Mom's baby book. See? Here's the part on how to stop crying.
You were right. Let's make something to eat.
I thought it'd be in here. Sayo, find the pancake.
No luck. Maybe you ate them all.
I've got an idea. Chloe, it's not real food, but I can make something better.
Pretend pancakes?
She won't be able to eat it, but it'll be more fun than making mud pies.
All right, but we better not interrupt your mom and not make a mess either.
We'll be super quiet. And besides, you have cleanup magic, right? There we go. Huh? Looks like you've been out in the snow. Oh, wait! You want to see it snow? Happy holidays, everybody!
I don't like the looks of this. You better be careful not to spill on the rug. No, don't get in trouble. Seriously, stop.
Time to cook 'em!
Watch it! Oh, that's enough pancakes, really. Besides, we've got to clean all this up before your mom comes back from the other room.
Oh, right. Good thinking.
Phew.
Sayo, can you help? I need Mom's real fry pan so we can pretend to heat it up. Come on, don't just lie there. Help me.
You found the leftover pancake? Well, what are we waiting for? Dish it up.
Yeah, come on.
All right, you serve it up. I'll do cleanup magic.
Mommy cooked it, but I made it look so good. A present from big sister to little sister. Eat up. It'll make you happy and you won't have to cry. It's cold, but still yummy.
Huh? Someone's calling. Let's answer it.
Hello? Oh, hi, Kongsuni. Wow, you're answering the phone now. Is your mom home?
Yep.
Can I talk to her? Oh, right, she's working.
Yeah.
So, are you playing with your baby sister?
Yeah, but I'm not alone.
Oh,
It's fun. I really love playing with her. I mean it. It's the best ever.
Wonderful. Your mom's lucky. You're such a good big sister.
To be honest, I get a lot of help from my friend. I should go now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Let's keep playing, okay? Uh-oh. She's like me, a little tiny pancake monster. Chloe, listen. You shouldn't play with your food. Num num, chomp chomp, munch munch. Say something if you understand me. You do get it. Time for a nap later, okay? We can play a little longer if we're quiet. Do you like make-believe?
Oh, maybe we can play restaurant.
That's what we'll do. I'll be the cook lady, you'll be my helper.
Oh, yeah. Now you're talking. Let's get started.
It says, why don't we just follow the pictures?
Great idea.
This looks yummy. Got it. An apple? Sure. We should use an egg.
Oh, don't! Whoa! Be careful. Eggs are super easy to break. Let's clean up and start cooking.
It's always fun when you share cooking.
Yahoo!
Just crack some eggs. That's how we start.
Pour in some milk. It's the next step.
Now stir it up. Go round and round. That's our special recipe.
Kongsuni makes anything she does look easy. Yeah! Cooking's not an easy thing, but Kongsuni is
Here we
go!
It's always fun when we are cooking.
Yahoo!
You've got to start with bananas. Stir, stir, and stir. Add 2 more eggs. It's time to cook. And then we're done. Thanks for sharing cooking time.
Kongsuni makes anything she does look easy.
Yeah!
Cooking's not an easy thing, but Kongsuni is special.
Check it out.
Yogurt and bananas. Mom made this morning. Have some. Say ah. You have to eat it if you're gonna grow up healthy and strong. Fruit and yogurt. You try. Fruit and yogurt. That's good. Gold star. You're learning so fast.
Kids, I finished working. Oh,
Mommy!
come here. Oh, you're wet again. Oh, you must be hungry.
I'm hungry too. Guess what? I look after her just like you told me to.
Yum, yum. Hungry? Open wide for Mom. Num num. Oh, Kongsuni used to do that. You're just like her. That's my girl. Your big sister's been teaching you how to talk. Seems like just the other day she was this little.
I feel sad.
Aw,
It's not fair. Why is Mom always with her?
'cause she's a baby. Your mom was like that with you, too.
A long time ago, not now. Everything's about the baby. It's like she forgets about me.
Kongsuni. All set for your story?
Are you done with Chloe?
I just put her to sleep. So? Something wrong? Where did all the smiles go? This isn't like you. Why are you so quiet, sweetie?
Can I be a baby again?
Don't you like growing up?
Yeah, sometimes, but I want to be your special girl again.
But you are. I love you just as much as her. You're both very special. Never forget that, okay?
I'll try not to. I miss you.
Oh, shh. Let's think of all the things you can do that a baby can't. Going to the playground, feeding yourself, playing make-believe. Know what? I'm gonna make sure we spend more time together. Once a day, we'll play whatever you want.
Okay. I don't want to be a baby now. Babies can't go to school like me. I'm lucky. I can play with blocks and go to the park and ride my bike.
Who's my girl?
Mom, look what I have! Here I come. Look, Mom, it's a phone.
Oh, wow. Did you make that?
Yeah, at preschool. Huh?
Oh, ring, ring. Who is it?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Hello. This is Kongsuni speaking. When you get busy with your work, just call me, okay? I can help out with tidying the house. I'm growing up, so I can help with the baby too. Call me.
Oh no, look at the time.
Huh? You going?
I'm off. Running late. I'll call you later. Up, up, and away!
Kongsuni, what's wrong? You've hardly eaten. How come?
I don't like this green stuff. It's all slimy. Look. It's so droopy, I think it feels sad.
No, it's happy. Do you know why? Because it's healthy. If you eat it, then you'll be healthy too. And healthy means happy.
No, it doesn't. It makes me sad.
If you try it, you just might like it. Come on.
I didn't like it the last time I tried. It's so yucky.
Oh, if you try it for me, I'll play Tickle Monster.
Yay! Mommy time!
You can say no if you don't like it, but first try one mouthful. Here it comes.
No! Gross!
I'm just asking you to taste. Come on, down the hatch.
No way! Mom, you promised!
Honestly, this day doesn't feel special.
Special? It's not my birthday. And it's not Chloe's birthday yet either. Oh, hey, I know. Is it spring break already? Wait, not yet.
Exactly. Any other guesses? You're almost there.
Oh, I know it.
So, what day is it?
It's the day we all go to the fair and ride the carousel.
Never mind. I guess it's no big deal.
Mom, what's wrong?
We're gonna be late. Finish up.
I've got a better idea. I'll stay home and we can play till dinner. What do you say to that?
Mommy has work to do. Besides, I thought you liked school. The bus is waiting. watch for cars now.
Freedom! Yes! Man, it sure was stuffy in there. Ugh. Boy, this place is noisy in the morning. It's like a flock of seagulls or a troop of monkeys.
Have fun, dear.
Okay. Bye, Mom. See you right after school.
I hope you have a good day, Kongsuni. Well, that's one thing off the list. Hooray! Still, I can't believe no one remembered it was my birthday. Oh well, things could be worse. Oh, you think every day is special. Maybe you're onto something.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Oh, thank you, darling. Who's good to me you are.
Her birthday? I've got to tell Kongsuni that it's her mom's big day.
Ah! No! Sayo! I didn't get a present for her. Wait, she likes earrings, but I don't have any.
Well, know what I think? You'd be lost without me. I'm wise, like a wise old owl, except I'm not that old. Yeah!
Huh?
Huh?
I've got it! I figured it out! Yeah!
Right.
I got a plan. It's gonna be so good. This will be the best birthday ever.
So, where do we start?
It'll be in 3 parts. Step 1, orange juice.
Who doesn't love orange juice?
The next part is flowers. Mommy really likes the pink ones. And that's part 2.
Part 2 smells pretty.
I'll play with Chloe while Mom does the laundry. It's perfect. Part 2 and part 3.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Are you ready to get started? It's teamwork, and I can't do it without you.
Huh?
Have some. You'll love it. It's orange juice, but it tastes like sunshine and superpowers.
It does? You are so thoughtful, sweetheart. Thank you.
Well, I wasn't sure if I should add salt or sugar, so I kind of guessed. I shook up the orange juice really good for you, Mommy.
You know, it doesn't have pulp, so... It got on my drawing! I'll have to start over. Or maybe I can save part of it. Oh, who am I kidding?
I'm sorry, Mom.
Oh.
Yo, friend, don't feel bad. Remember the plan? You've still got parts 2 and 3.
Right. Come on.
Huh? Oh?
Hi, Mommy. Your drawing was so pretty. It's really too bad that you have to make it all over again. I want to cheer you up.
It's okay. Accidents happen. You're sweet for wanting to cheer me up. What are these? Pretty. They're for me?
Yep, because I know how much you like flowers. That's why I went out and picked them just for you.
Thank you, sweetie. Oh, no. I think these are the neighbor's prized flowers. It's okay, you didn't know. But she won't be happy. It was a nice thought, though, sweetie.
I didn't mean to get you in trouble. Mommy's still sad. Huh?
Why'd you stop?
Now it's time for part 3.
Oh, no. Terrible idea. Please don't. Oh, Blanco, come on.
She doesn't bite. Just play with her.
Oh, maybe not, but she sure drools a lot.
Here.
Not a basket.
Chloe, are you okay?
There.
Shh. Let's not bother Mommy.
Huh? Oh no! Did you hurt yourself, sweetie? Oh. Ooh, you smell that?
Oh, I'll change her diaper. But I think she's crying because she bumped her head. Just a little.
Thank you for telling me, but it's not your fault. And I can change her. Ooh. All right. Come on, Chloe.
It didn't work. It's not a good birthday. Aw, we're having lots of bad luck today. All I wanted was Mommy to feel special.
I know, me too.
Sayo, let's just forget it.
Hey, hang on a sec. Why give up? I mean, it's still her birthday, right?
Huh? Yeah, up till tomorrow morning.
Then we've got a chance. We can come up with something. It's not even dinner time yet. We must have a few hours left. There's gotta be another way we can make her birthday special. Come on, let's put our heads together.
Sorry, I don't want to.
No? You sure? I mean, I know. What about your birthday? What made it so special?
My birthday?